In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change template in Prezi. Before we dive in, it's important to set expectations. In Prezi Present, you can't directly switch your presentation to a completely different template once you've started editing. The template chooser only appears when you create a brand new presentation. So, if you want a different overall layout or structure, the path forward is to start a new Prezi with the template you want. Or, if you just need a visual refresh, use the built-in style options to adjust colors and design elements within your current template. Let's start with creating a new presentation using a different template. Head to your Prezi dashboard. This is your home base, where all your presentations are listed. Click the Create New button, then choose Create from Template. This opens Prezi's template gallery, where you'll see a variety of designs organized by purpose and theme. Take a moment to browse and preview options. Look for a structure that matches the kind of story you're telling, whether it's a simple overview or a more complex journey. When you find the one that fits, click. Use this template. Prezi will open it with placeholders ready for your content. From here, you can begin customizing the template's existing sections and layout to suit your message. Choosing the right template at this stage will save you time later. So focus on how the frames flow and how the zooming paths support your narrative. If your goal is to refresh the look without changing the underlying structure, you can stay in your current presentation and adjust the styling. At the top of the editor, click Style. This panel controls the visual feel of your presentation. You can switch color palettes to instantly give your content a new vibe while keeping the same frames and layout. Explore the available palettes and use Customize Your Look to fine-tune colors so they align with your topic or brand. As you experiment, check how text, shapes, and backgrounds interact to maintain strong contrast and readability. A consistent palette across titles, body text, and visuals keeps things cohesive and professional. To recap, Prezi Present doesn't support swapping templates mid-edit, but you have two solid options. Start a new presentation with the template that matches your needs from the beginning, or refresh your existing presentation using the Style panel to change colors and overall design accents. Either approach helps you present your ideas clearly while keeping your workflow simple and focused.